What's up, guys? Welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Jinder, aka Jinder Spice. That is right, I got two camera angles today because I'm crazy like that, stepping up the production game. What? Big shout out to my videographer. I'm gonna put her link in the description below. She's like the sous chef, you know, like the person that makes the chef good. Well, that's what you are. Girl behind the camera. Mr. Girl, who could it be? Who could it be? Go to the description to find out because she's pretty dope. Today, because of popular demand, we're gonna be making, yes, drum roll, the ultimate omelet. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you've come to the right place because you will never need to go to any other YouTube video to figure out how to make an omelet because A, this isn't an omelet, it's a scrambled egg video. That's so funny. We're making scrambled eggs today, not the ultimate omelet. That's a new video. Today we're gonna be making the most incredible scrambled eggs. So without further ado, let's do it. We're gonna be really basic, but basic doesn't necessarily mean bad. Basic sometimes is really amazing. So today we have some tomatoes, and then we got some mushrooms. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use 3 eggs to start for the scrambled eggs, and we have vegan butter. So let's get started. First things first, we have 2 pans on the oven. So we got this pan over here, and we got this little pot over here. We're gonna put the heat to low, so like somewhere low. Grab some avocado oil. This is gonna be a really quick video. We're gonna make it in 10 minutes. This is an easy thing to do. You don't have to worry about, you know, like how am I gonna make this omelet? One thing that I don't do in life is eat breakfast. Like Monday to Friday, I'm always busy. But you should always have a good hearty breakfast on like a Saturday or a Sunday. Do you agree, camera woman, right? So basically, if you wanna impress your girl, impress your mom, your sister, your husband, your brother, whoever, Sunday morning, Saturday morning, this is what you want to make up. So drizzle some avocado oil in the pan. We're gonna take these tomatoes, but we're just gonna place them on the pan right here. So we got, you know, these tomatoes here, and then what we're gonna do with the mushrooms, we're just gonna place them right here. And we're gonna just let them do, oh, lost one. We're gonna just let them do its thing. There we go. So as you see, you just let it do its thing. It's on low heat right here, and boom. Now for the omelet part, you wanna make sure you have a good piece of bread, like a robust piece of bread. The fastest way to ruin scrambled eggs is having shitty bread. I'm gluten-free, and this is the bread that I would recommend. It's by the Little Northern Bakehouse. It's basically seeds and grain, gluten-free, it's delicious, and why I like it is it's big, and it also kind of tastes like normal bread. So for all of you gluten-free heads out there, make sure you guys pick this up, Superstore, Loblaws, wherever. We're gonna put 2 of these in the toaster, plop it down. Okay, we're not gonna whisk the eggs in a bowl or anything like how you're used to. We're literally just gonna crack the eggs straight into the pan. So it's easy. You don't have to do anything crazy. So we're just gonna crack it right in. There's the one. Second one. And third. Perfecto. Okay, so the main thing is, the best way to get the best scrambled eggs is you want to be cooking it on like medium heat. You don't want to overcook the scrambled egg. And this is how you do it. You basically just start whisking it right in the pan. So you see that? What I'm doing right here? We're whisking it right in here. You're gonna grab a good chunk of butter. Get the earth balanced butter right here. And we're gonna take a spoon. Yes, this is like necessary. So you're gonna take a little spoon of butter. You're gonna plop it in. What this does is it kind of cools it down, so we continue just whisking. You never want to stop whisking, ladies and gentlemen, and we're not gonna season them right now. We're gonna do that at the end, but you just keep going. As you can see, these are slowly cooking over here. you know, they're sizzling away. Oh yeah, look at the scrambled eggs, they're coming along. Turn down the heat a little bit. The whole point is you want to be moving it off the heat, and you want to be moving it on the heat. This is like a, whoa my gosh, it is sizzling, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, the toast, the fucking toast is out. Push that down again, it's not quite done. I want to keep this going. Guys, if you want to get a workout in, make some scrambled eggs for your woman or your man. Okay, look at that. That's just frickin', that is nice what's happening here. Don't try this at home. I would recommend using a spatula. Okay, scrambled eggs are coming along. Medium heat. And as tedious as this seems, this is the process. At this point, you can get your plate out. Our toast is ready. There we go. And let's just keep whisking this up. And look at that. As you see, the legs are scrambling up. You take it off the heat for a little bit. Put it back on the heat. Oh, they're starting to look good. Take it off the heat. It's literally just finding out when you want to take it off and put it back on. That's the whole process. And the reason why we're doing this is because you want your eggs to be nice and fluffy. You don't want them to be overly cooked. You don't want them to be like overly done. And the whole premise is you just take it on and off, on and off, on and off, on and off. And the funny thing is, even if you take it off, the eggs will continue cooking. Let's see what's happening with the mushrooms here. They're looking amazing. You know what? I'll use something for this. Who's getting hungry? As you can see, they're scrambling up quite nicely. I'm gonna take it right off the heat there. And now for the plating. Guys, cooking is a big passion of mine. I've always loved to cook. I love making food for people. It's just something that's like in my veins, in my blood. When my dad was younger, he actually taught my mom how to cook. So I think it runs through that old genes and the men. And then he never cooked ever again. Once he taught her, it was just game over. She cooked everything forever. Scrambled eggs are done. Check that out. At this point, you know, I turn the heat off, and that's fine because the heat is in here. Right in there. Okay, so listen, camera woman, relax. I'm not gonna hurt myself. We're gonna take a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt at this point. We're gonna plate the eggs right over here. As you see, perfect amount of eggs, perfect scrambled eggs. That is amazing. And let's take these guys. One, two, three, four, and there you have it. Scrambled eggs, super simple, super basic. At this point, we're just gonna drizzle some salt over it, a little bit of pepper. Bon appetit, ladies and gentlemen. Omelet, absolutely done. Let's do a quick taste test, and then I will feed my baby. Those are perfect. Those are actually really good. Try this. What do you think?
That's so fluffy.
Right? This is the thing. I'm being really messy with it all, but you have to have fun when you cook, right, baby?
Right.
You gotta have fun. You gotta make it enjoyable. Why make a meal if you're not gonna put love into it? So guys, I hope you guys enjoy this meal. Thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen once again. And like I said, every single Tuesday, brand new video at 7 p.m. Eastern Central Time. That means if you're in Vancouver or if you're on the West Coast, that's like 4 p.m. So if you're on the West Coast, 4 p.m. If you're on the East Coast, 7 p.m. And if you're in like India or like Southeast Asia, I don't freaking know. Figure that shit out. Let me know. And make sure you guys go subscribe. Cameraman, why are you kicking my camera? Just joking. Should I fire her? No, I'm never gonna fire her. Oh shit, she just stepped in the dog bowl. It's like shaking right now. And thank you so much for watching. And anything else I gotta mention here? Oh, let me know in the comments below what you want to see in the next video. Make sure you guys go follow my Instagram account right here and go check out my other 2 videos. I made butter chicken and chicken handi, and go feed some people. Cheers from my kitchen to yours. I love you. Bye. Wow. Mic drop.
Mic drop it.
Mic drop.